A startling new narrative has emerged from the digital landscape as the YouTube channel KUTYA TV poses a provocative question that is sending shockwaves through political discourse. Is Chiwenga joined forces with Chamisa? This inquiry, framed within the title of the latest upload, suggests a seismic shift in the power dynamics of the region. The video serves as the central focal point for this investigation, forcing observers to grapple with the possibility of an unprecedented alliance between these two prominent figures. Salavida Mash Kobdani Kopanga is Chiwenga joined forces with Chamisa. Remember, subscribe or like on the bell icon. The report originates from KUTYA TV, a platform that has positioned itself to capture the attention of audiences monitoring the complexities of Southern Africa governments. By explicitly linking the name of Chiwenga and Chamisa, the channel taps into a deep reservoir of public curiosity regarding the shifting allegiances within the political sphere. While the channel's description maintains a general stance on content creation, the specific focus on this video highlights an intent to analyze high-stakes political maneuvering that could fundamentally alter the landscape of the nation. In analyzing the core premise, it is essential to consider implications of Chiwenga-Chamisa alignment, such a development that would represent a departure from traditional political divisions. The investigation by KUTYA TV suggests that the electorate is now forced to confront the reality that long-standing rivals may be subject to strategic recalibration. As political analysts observe this development, the primary question remains whether this is a tactical move for institutional stability or a sign of deeper systemic changes occurring within the governing and opposition structures of the country. The geopolitical significance of such an alliance cannot be overstated. For Zimbabwe and the broader Southern Africa region, the collaboration between such influential figures would signal a new chapter in governance. This potential for a consolidated political front creates a ripple effect that impacts international relations, investor confidence, and the socio-economic trajectory of the entire region. Understanding the motivations behind this reported development is critical for any stakeholder interested in future stability in the democratic process of Southern Africa. Ndoma developments ari kuda panhau dziri kutenderera nemarumors aripo pamusoro pe the alliance between the two influential people, Chiwenga and Chamisa. But I comment section medu dzavhungura imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.